So my flight departure time from Amsterdam airport was 16:35 hours. So I started from my place around 12:20 in the afternoon. As it was suggested, the entire process would take longer than usual, so we thought starting roughly 4 hours before would be sufficient enough. So I reached the airport around 12:50, so it took me around 30 minutes to reach there, and as expected, only a few flights were running at the moment, and the airport was mostly empty. So after entering the airport, we saw the huge line before the check-in itself. So we got in the queue, where one person from the Embassy of India came to us and handed over an undertaking form, the details of which you can see on the screen right now. So you have to fill this form and submit it to the embassy before you do the check-in. Basically, it states that you agree with all the terms and conditions given by the government of India. The line was huge and it moved very slowly. It took us 2 hours to reach the embassy counter, where you will hand over the undertaking form and your passport, and the embassy will write on your passport that you have signed the undertaking form, and they will provide the stamp and date on the passport, just like the one you are seeing on the screen right now. So apart from the stamp, we also got free gloves from the embassy. After this, again we continued to stand in the queue for another 30 minutes to reach the check-in counter. And once the check-in is done, you get the boarding pass. The next process would to go through a normal security check. After that, the last step, that is immigration. However, before boarding the flight, a thermal scanning will be done by the authorities just to make sure you don't have high body temperature. That is one of the symptoms of COVID-19. If the temperature is fine, you will be allowed to board the plane. So we went ahead to board the plane. All the air crew were already using the PPE kit. And when we went towards our respective seats, few things were already present there, such as a self-reporting form in which you have to fill all the personal details and declare whether you have any of the mentioned symptoms. This form you have to submit in the airport once you reach your destination. Since most of the service provided by air crew will not be functional during this journey, so they have provided the water bottles and the meal package beforehand. And the meal that I got, you can see on the screen right now, it was sufficient enough for an 8-hour journey. Apart from the meal, a kit will be provided which contains a face shield, a mask and a few sanitizers. The person who will be sitting in the middle will get an additional PPE kit apart from earlier mentioned things. Since the boarding was finished, the flight was ready to take off with 252 Indian nationals on board towards India. It took around 8 hours to reach Mumbai, and once we landed, the passengers for Hyderabad and Chennai were shifted to another flight, while we were asked to remain seated and do the two things before we embarked the flight. That is, first to fill the self-reporting form given at the beginning, and second to download the Arogya Setu app, since both the things were mandatory to show at the airport. Once you embark the flight, you have to go through this series of processes. First, thermal scanning. Second, submission of self-reporting form to the authorities. Third, immigration. Fourth, collecting the baggage. Fifth, going through customs. And once all the steps are done, finally at the end, setup was done by the state government to guide the passengers for domestic travel and quarantine facilities. This process may differ state-wise, but if you want to know the process for Mumbai, do let me know. I can create a separate video altogether for that.